Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, today on Get Veganized we're going to make mushroom bourguignon. It's a two-part recipe with mushrooms. It's like a mushroom stew with like a red wine, sort of saucy gravy, and a cauliflower mash. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is cut the cauliflower up. I'm also going to add some potatoes because when I add potatoes it makes it more creamier. The mash is more creamier with the potatoes in it. So here we go. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is peel some potatoes. Now we're going to cut these up so we can boil them. Okay, onto the stove they'll go. Okay, here we are off the stove. I've got the potatoes and cauliflower in here. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegan butter and a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Now run it in here until it gets mashed like mashed potatoes. And there it is. Nice and fluffy. Looks really good. Okay, now to start on the mushrooms. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna do a 1/2 cup of large sliced onion pieces, and I'm also gonna cut up a pound of mushrooms. And that's about a 1/2 cup. This goes into the pot with a tablespoon of olive oil. Here they are. We're going to cook them on the stove for 3 or 4 minutes until the mushroom releases a little bit of moisture, and then we're going to remove them from the heat and set them aside. Okay, this is how you want the mushrooms to look. Now we're going to take them off the heat and set them aside. Okay, now I'm going to cut up an onion, carrot, and some thyme and toss it into the pan with a tablespoon of olive oil. The onion is going to have a smaller dice on it. I've already peeled my carrot, so I'll take the ends off. Salt and pepper. Now back to the stove. Now to cut up a couple cloves of garlic, and we'll cut up some walnuts. Half cup of walnuts. Okay, here's the onions, carrots, and the thyme, salt and pepper. Cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Alright, to this I'm going to add the garlic and the walnuts that I just cut up. Stir that around for about 5 minutes. And we'll turn the heat down, and we're going to add the wine. Okay, there we go. Half cup to start. Now we're going to add a cup of veggie broth. Give that a stir. And a heaping tablespoon of tomato paste. Turn the heat back up a little bit, back to medium. I want to get the tomato paste incorporated into the mix here. Now we're going to put back in the mushrooms that we cooked earlier and the onions. To this I'm going to add another cup of wine. Well, maybe 3/4. Alright, I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to check the thickness of the gravy here. I might need to add a little roux, equal parts flour and vegan butter. And then we'll put it on a plate and check it out. Okay, here's the finished product. And I'm gonna eat some and let you know how it is. Alrighty, here we go. This is the bomb. The walnuts and the mushrooms. Delicious. And that's all the time I have for today. Thank you for joining me at Get Veganized. Don't forget to subscribe below. And I hope you like this dish. This is Chef Bugsy with Get Veganized, and I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Be sure to click below the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.